With decentralized finance (DeFi) turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain foundation world. While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. As of now administering the Atom cryptographic money trades, Cosmos Network is flooding ahead with Tendermint Core and its interesting Byzantine fault tolerance, having pronounced its venture worth $15 million. Universe digital money can be exchanged through crypto trades. The Cosmos Network helps the development of Atom token. Universe digital currency, all the more prevalently known by its local symbolic atom, has as of late been dynamic in the crypto market, performing wonders. Before we start with genuine Cosmos cost expectation, how about we really take a look at point-by-point outline of the coin? Universe, Atom. The mystery decoded. Universe is portrayed as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights brilliant agreement usefulness, as well as offers a safe and exceptionally secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any brokers included. Universe biological system likewise contains Cosmos Hub. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary runs validators that assist with getting the Cosmos blockchain. Universe Network utilizes an offbeat Byzantine fault-tolerant (ABST) agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Cosmos Hub. Particle tokens are utilized for security purposes. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity and major focal point of Cosmos, Atom, is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Cosmos for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations, applications, games, to give some examples which can be based on this stage. It gives them worldwide extension, a wide organization of clients and dApps, decentralized applications, and consistent turns of events and redesigns. Universe, Atom. The global advantage. Particle clients will generally send and get installments in their preferred cash through brilliant agreements, as Atom handles the transformation through nuclear trades between cross-chain crypto resources. More benefits follow. Multifunctional ascribes of Atom empower broadened utilizations of existing applications, including security and well-being of information and exchanges. Atom guarantees openness, particularly in different layer arrangements, variety of application stages presented on Atom, making a dreamlike encounter. Intertradability is one more key element of Atom by means of DEX's mechanism of Atom empowers scalability features supporting versatile applications, and engineer packs are very easy to understand and have their autonomous calculation. A plenty of DeFi applications can be posted on Atom sidechains. Universe, Atom. Historical data and technical analysis. Unpredictability is the sign of any digital currencies, as is valid for Cosmos too. In December 2019, Cosmo began its progressive, however consistent exhibition. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bull run in March 2020 to a low of $1.6, it had followed the recuperation way. The pandemic appears to have made way for Cosmos with its remarkable presentation. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto figures by accomplishing the cost of Cosmos to $6.5, finishing strong for exchanging. The help level is $29.936 and obstruction level is $33.325. Universe price prediction 2022 to 2026. Starting from the start of this current year, the coin has reflected colossal force. Toward the finish of January 2021, the Atom coin denoted a sharp spike to $25, however from that point onward, it plunged to $17. Then, at that point, from last month, Cosmos again denoted a monstrous meeting and enlisted another record-breaking high of $32.14. Be that as it may, as of late, it confronted a sharp downfall. Universe cost today waits around $30.26 with a market capitalization of $8,656,770,273.81 and a flowing stockpile of $286,370,297 ATM. The 24 hours exchanging volume of Cosmos, ATM, is $607,883,319.19. The ongoing cost of Cosmos is $31.06. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per ATM forecast, with various organizations and coordinated efforts and local area financing, the digital money market glances back at ATM to perform, arriving at a value level of $63, which is very hopeful yet unquestionably plausible toward 2022 and the transient's end. Universe Price Prediction 2023. With any progressions in govt arrangements and guidelines, the ATM cost might have its portion of dim days. On the off chance that ATM cost holds the help at the 100 SMA solidly, purchasers will then have adequate opportunity to sell Cosmos for acquiring benefit and dependability. In the main, a portion of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of ATM may be around $75. Universe Price Prediction 2024. Dashing up to peak won't be consequently so hard for Cosmos cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade ATM. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Universe Price Prediction 2025. Molecule United States dollar, however, plunged yet in view of forecasts and obstruction level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for ATM is the critical expansion in the quantity of ATM coins saved into the agreement. In the main, around 50% of the cost, may be $81. Universe ATM cost is set to give promising indications, arriving at a peak of $105 toward the finish of 2025. Universe Price Prediction 2026. Updates will push the versatility of the Cosmos organization to 100,000 exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy serious system. As per Cosmos cost forecasts, in the primary portion of the year 2026 the cost could reach to $90. The blockchain network is really famous, with various undertakings based on it. Given the headways are kept up with, we can see the cost of ATM to reach $120, making it an untouched high in the following 5 years. How does Cosmos ATM cost gain importance? On the lookout. Only the trust of financial backers has made a vertical flood in the Cosmos ATM cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals. As in aforementioned expectations, Cosmos has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers